Welcome to day 6 of vacation. And it's raining, but that's okay. It's been gorgeous the entire time we've been here, so one rainy day, not gonna be too bad. It'll probably clear up at some point today, but we knew that Tuesday was gonna be the rainy day. What we are doing today is we're moving rooms. See the rooms behind me? The swim ups. We came over to this side across the way for 2 nights. Now we're going back across, and I can actually show you the room that we're going to. I'm gonna turn the camera around. It's gonna be the second building, the very, very end one, and unless the guy's taking it in, there's a pineapple raft there, which I'm kind of hoping he leaves for us, but I'm not expecting it. All right, so I just got pixie-fied, pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is good! See way down there on the end, and there is the pineapple thingies right there. That's the room we're gonna be in, the very end room. And there's the ocean. So we're super close to the ocean. So I'm gonna go in and finish packing up my stuff. And then we're probably gonna go into town because I wanna get some more ankle bracelets. And just kind of see what the day takes us on this rainy day. Looks like they left the floaty. Yay. So we're back in the swim-up pool, about the end now, which is kind of cool. We don't have the bridge, but we could always swim over to it. And then instead of the hammock, we have a chair. So that should be interesting. Like a sky chair. That's cool. And wait, the bar is right there. The bar is right there. There's our pool. There's the bar. This is the best. And there's the ocean. What do you do on a rainy day? You play pool. We found a hidden gem that's around the corner from the bar, and we are getting tacos. Now I put my own toppings on it. On the toppings bar. We were told about this place that we didn't know about, and so we just tried it, and it's very good. You gotta check it out. So because we hung around the hotel all day long in the rain, and you really couldn't go out, and the weather dropped, so I read my book, and Evan read his book and then napped. So we decided to walk out with umbrellas to a Thai restaurant that's off 10th Avenue. Not the main drag of 5th, but we walked a little over to 10th. And it's really nice out here. And we're sitting outside. I'll show you our view. And we're gonna have some Thai food. Hopefully better than the Asian that we had the other night. Some bottled water. This is our table. Right up, you can see the cars passing by. And there's a French restaurant across the street. You have other tables out there, but it's nice out. Lovely plants. It's a nice little place. So, we'll show you this. So Evan ordered tom yum soup, which is already too spicy for me. Egg rolls and his spice dish. Are you gonna spice it up more, or are you spiced up enough?
I think it's fine.
I won't even try. Sea bass. Evan got, what did you get? Pad Thai?
No, it's instead of jasmine rice, it's noodles.
Okay, and what's in it? Chicken or
Shrimp.
Shrimp?
It's supposed to be really spicy.
Oh boy, another spicy dish. And then jasmine rice. So he got the noodles instead of trying one of Evan's noodles. Holy cow, is that spicy? I can't handle it. And hopefully this will not be spicy. This is my fish. Oh my god, it's really good. It's good. This is 5th Avenue at night. We're gonna walk up and down because it finally stopped raining. Yay! I like gelato better anyway. Turns out that it's actually imported from Italy. Okay, I have not had dessert the entire trip. I've been holding out for something good. I think gelato is worth it. I'm having a tiramisu and a dulce leche, or dolce, I can't speak. Anyway, it is totally worth it. Okay, so Evan got a grape that has 3 different flavors of the gelato in it and a lot of whipped cream. And it looks like chocolate sauce on the top. Oh my gosh. That looks really good. You got chocolate? No, you got hazelnut chocolate and coconut and vanilla. I'm gonna be tasting that.